I'm going to share about 5-4 analysis of Lamborghini. The analysis are threats of new era, threats of substitution, bargaining power of consumer, bargaining power of supplier, competitive rivalry. Threats of new era. The threats of new era in the Lamborghini ports the 5-4 analysis can be explained as follows. Threat of a new era is related low due to intense capital requirement and product development and statistic of existing players. Enter also find it's hard to supply due to the strong base of loyal customers. Due to customer side economical of a scale and the demand side benefit of a scale. Lamborghini has the ability to reduce the price by making it cost competitive. The new era. Consumer switch cost is also high, which discourage the new era to complete. Even through new era can build a strong distributing network, innovation and help the investment in R&D and high difficulties make it difficult for the new existing to employ. It addicted strict government regulations in terms of license and legal requirements act as an entry barrier which is favorable for incumbents like Lamborghini. Retailing for existing players by which each other to present new competitive further discourage the new market players. Threat of substitution. Threat of substitution is weak because there was a fear substitute availability. The substitute which is available are highly expensive and has low band proportion with reducing the Lamborghini threats of a customer defect. Customer loyalty is high and significant. The consumer segment is usually elect the people that does not switch easily. Switch cost can also and higher due to accomplishing the psychological and economical cost. Lamborghini offers difficult and define the product and innovate with its offer, which helps in an attract and related. Lamborghini offers difficult and deliver a product and innovating with its offer, which help in attracting and related to its customer. Due to its substitution in faces the risk of the ban, however, substitute does not affect the offers the same quality. Luxury bikes can consider the substitution of luxury cars like Lamborghini, and to address this, Lamborghini forces on ban like luxury of driving high automatic cars and coming up with the features of different in itself for its substitution or experience to get the competitive edge over its substitution. Bargaining power of consumer. Bargaining power of consumer is moderatory. Lamborghini and other luxury cars manufacturer offers high different products. Consumer loyalty is very high in the market segment due to the consumer has low bargaining power. Also, due to the low market knowledge and sufficient capital investment in their courage, there is also a low risk of the consumer backwards integrity. Because of the brand value and accomplishing the psychological and economical cost, consumers switch the cost as is providing the Lamborghini and advantage over its buy. All through target customers wants new innovating cars that are demanded and that has an high expectations for the luxury cars brand to come up with some new executing which has some bargaining power. Lamborghini and other luxury brands need to work on its R&D and provide improved performance and quality and better technology features which even new release. Lamborghini improved to its competitive stance by building a new customer loyalty and providing executivity to the customer limits that bargaining power. Bargaining power of supplier. Bargaining power of supply is low due to the moderate since that suppliers are numerous in the number. Switch cost of the company is charging that supplier low or most of the supplier offers similar kind of products rather than the different one. Multiple supply depends on single car manufacturing rather than the other way around, which gives more bargaining power of car manufacturing. Threat of supplier. Backwards integrity is low of the segment requirement and high capital investment in R&D and innovations. However, since the supplier brings and innovating, they are aided, the company is maintaining the quality standards and deliver the relevant and its result. Lamborghini maintained the close tie with its suppliers. Luxury cars manufacturers like Lamborghini was very particular about that supplying like leather sheets, real woods, etc., and thus prevent the images of executing materials that purchase the supplier once from the few particular suppliers, which is give the supplier more negotiable power. Competitive rivalry. Lamborghini is a manufacturing of luxury sports car and SUVs. The major competitive of Lamborghini are Ferrari, Maserati, Bugatti, Bentley, McLaren, Porsche, Aston Martin, etc. The sports car industry is which the project validity of 566 billions in 2026 with its establishing of CAGR of 5%. This makes the industry high competitive. Existing barriers are high because of the requirement capital requirement, and thus players who are finding too difficult to survey to ball out and continue the market to attain some market shares. Lamborghini compete with the competitor by offering the high different products and incorporate the technology innovating in its cars to increase the performance. With its loyalty base and the product portfolio and global presence in 130 plus countries, Lamborghini is work on its brand loyalty and gives it in competitive edge. Thank you.